Come on, guys, looks like a dead end. Let's head back, huh?
They must have hidden the coffins around here someplace.
There's nothing here. Let's go, guys. Huh?
Jesus! Ah! Ah! Ah!
I thought they were supposed to be in coffins.
That's what this cave is. It's one giant coffin. Right now, they're at the most vulnerable.
Easy pickings. Remember, you just have to kill a leader, huh?
We don't know which one the leader is. I guess we'll just have to kill them all.
We'll start with the little one. First come, first staked. What was that? A little vampire humor? Or was it funny? No, don't even!
Good night, bloodsucker.
No!